Okay. Welcome to Romel Travel, and as the conclusion to his very successful birthday party, we're now going to unwrap the gifts.
Ito na nakain na to.
Yan, nakain. Ubus na.
Ubus na siya.
Yeah.
Wala nang laman niya. So, galing to kay Barb.
Yes, thanks, Barb. I love her.
And this one is from Teki.
Teki.
It's my first time to receive flowers.
Yes.
Next.
Yes,
This one is from Kevin and Orlando.
Oh, Kevin and Orlando.
Yeah. So, na siya.
Ano kaya yan? Any guess? Any guess?
Diffuser.
Okay.
Soundcore Mini. Soundcore Mini? Ano yun?
Baka speaker?
Parang speaker na.
Portable speaker. So,
buksan natin siya.
Unboxing.
Ayan. Yeah.
Portable
speaker. Pwede kung magpipiknik ka, at least may speaker ka maliit.
Yes, correct. Now, mag-picnic ka na, Besh. With music. Mag-picnic tayo sa Oxford University.
Pwede sa Primrose Hill ba yun?
Primrose Hill, yes.
So, next is, ayan. Ito ano siya, pang Spring 2025 talaga siya.
Exclusive collection. Exclusive.
This is from Moana.
Moana. Mukhang yayamanin si Moana.
Kevin and Orlando pala. Ito, thank you. Ano ba to? To keep perfume break seal. Hindi ako marunong mag-ano.
Yan.
Organic pala siya.
Yes.
Ang fresh siya.
Environment friendly. Ayan, Biz. Dali, try mo. Patry din ako. Try mo sa... Ayan. Ako. Sa simula lang yan. Pag nag-settle. Okay naman siya, Bez. Parang ano siya, natural ano lang.
Natural lang.
Yeah.
Thank you, Moana. Ang ganda ng ano niya.
Oo. Ang ganda ng box. Huwag mo tatapon yan.
Tabi ko lang siya.
Yes, it's very memorable.
Hindi siya pwede na ganyan lang siya. Okay, next is ito muna. This is from Chris.
From Chris.
Happy birthday, Ramel. Keep on going.
Yes. Keep on going.
No. Sorry. Keep on gaming.
Gaming naman pala. Kala mo keep on going. Huwag ka raw mag-keep on going. Keep on gaming.
Feeling ko board games to. Kasi sabi
Keep on gaming. Siyempre, yan ang...
Board games to siguro.
What's that?
Never ko ba ito nalaro? Cobra
Po. Ninja-like. Know how to steal.
Steal? I never played this game.
But you have a clue?
No.
No, then good.
Yeah. Thank you, Chris. And, ito pala. Galing kay Paul. Nakain kami. Chocolates.
Pengi naman.
Sige, kumain ka na.
Sige, bigyan mo ko. Kahit na nakainom na ako ng tubig. Ano talaga? Ay, parang cute na ito. Thank you. Nakikikain ng birthday gift.
And lastly,
Sarap.
this is from Sergio. Teka, ano bang unahin ko? Ito muna.
Yan na lang muna.
Sige.
May card pa.
Ano?
Effort. Ang sarap ng chocolate. Pakita mo yung cover. Anong design? Hindi yung cover.
Cover?
Hindi, yung design lang.
Flower.
Wow, flower. Ang ganda.
Screen talaga eh. Pang screen eh. Ayan. Thank you for... Happy birthday, Ramel. Thank you for the invitation to your barbecue party. I hope you enjoy and have an amazing time. It is so good to meet nice people like you in London. Hope to share friendship and enjoy that in this city. I hope you have an amazing year in London and explore the city and beyond. Let's play board games. Your friend, Sergio.
Yeah. Pakalamera tayo eh. Ganda.
Oh, chocolates.
Yeah, chocolates. Hotel chocolate.
Hotel chocolates.
Wow. Ah. Nice.
Pinapataba nila ako. They want me to make me fat. And
Cute. Cute. Unique designs of 4 chocolates.
yeah. That's all. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. And that ends Ramel's unboxing video. Happy birthday again,
Thank you,
Romel. Happy 20th birthday.